Happy morning to all of you. Welcome back to Sri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, as yesterday we have learned some part of the chapter number 13, Shivaji gives the sleep to the emperor. In this chapter we have learned 2-3 points we are learning. See first what we have learned. Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court. This point we have learned on the first day. Then on the second day we have learned about the emperor's treachery. The emperor's treachery. Treachery means what? Disloyalty. Okay. Then escape from Agra. Today what we are going to learn? Escape from Agra. We have learned that Shivaji Maharaj was caught and he was kept in prison by Aurangzeb. Okay. So how he escaped from that Agra, that we have to learn today. Yesterday I think we have learned about that Shivaji Maharaj pretended to be ill, and so he complained of severe pain in the stomach. What was his complaint? That severe pain in his stomach. So many doctors were called for his treatment. And what Shivaji Maharaj started? Shivaji Maharaj started sending out huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and maulavis for his quick recovery. Okay. So now what Shivaji Maharaj did and how he escaped from Agra, that we have to learn today. Okay. But before that we should know difficult words meanings. Okay. While teaching I am going to explain you, but before that we will read it. See, word meanings are given here. Pretext. Pretext means excuse. Okay. Spice means here this one is plural form. Okay. And spy is singular form. Plural form, singular form. So spy means a person who tries to get secret information about others. We can take here about other city, about our region, about our country, another country, like this. Okay. So spy means a person who tries to get secret information about others. Then third word meaning is vain. Vain means useless. Okay. Means that is of no use. Whatever efforts we are doing, that efforts are of no use. Then disguise. Disguise means to change the appearance, sound, etc. To change the appearance, sound, etc. Okay. Means we are changing another, we are wearing another drapery, then beard, okay, cap, like this we are changing our whole outlook. So another people, they cannot identify us that this one is this person. So like this Shivaji Maharaj changed his total outfit, that is called disguise. So disguise means to change the appearance, sound, etc. Okay, did you get? So now we will start with the point, escape from Agra. Okay, I hope all of you have opened your textbook. Which page number you have opened? 51. Very good. So our 13 number chapter is going on, page number 51, escape from Agra. Those they have not opened, please open it. So I hope you have opened it. So we will start now. See, in the beginning, the guards outside would examine the basket. Examine means they were checking that basket. What goes in the basket? Those guards used to check it. In the course of time, they got tired of this daily routine and stop it. In the course of time, they tired. Means what? Every day what was those guards for? They have to stand outside the tent of Shivaji Maharaj, or outside the residence of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay. And whatever basket used to come from inside. What was in that basket? Sweets for sadhus and maulavis. Okay. But it was told to those guards. For example, I am guard and this one is house. Behind this Shivaji Maharaj residence. So whatever baskets will come, so I have to check those baskets. Who was doing this work? Guards. Okay. So every day they were checking it. So it was their daily routine. Every day they have to check it. But due to course of time, these people tired. Okay. Now you are also tired to see these videos. What you are saying to your father? Yes, I have seen video. Yes, I have done my all study. But you are not doing it. Yes. So now you are also tired to every day to learn on mobile phone. Correct? So like that, those guards were also tired. Every day they have to check it. Sweets are there, go. Sweets are there, go. So they tired, and what they did, they stopped their work. So without checking only, then baskets were going outside. So see, one evening Shivaji made Hiroji sleep in his bed. What Shivaji Maharaj did? He made Shivaji sleep on his bed. On whose bed? Shivaji Maharaj's bed. And asked Madari to massage his feet. And asked Madari Mehtar. What is his full name? Madari Mehtar. Firozi Farzan sleep on Shivaji Maharaj's place. And Madari Mehtar massage his legs. Whose legs he was massaging? Hiroji's. Yes? Means they were showing that Shivaji Maharaj is sleeping and Madari Mehtar is giving massage to Shivaji Maharaj. Like this, they were showing to the guards. If anyone will peep in the residence, then they will come to the house. Shivaji Maharaj is sleeping and this Madari Mehtar is giving massage to Shivaji Maharaj. Like this, they show to people. See, and then Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje hide themselves into of the many baskets that were going out. Many baskets were going out. So Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji, they hide themselves in the baskets. One basket they hide. Okay. Means Shivaji Maharaj sit in one basket and Sambhaji Maharaj sit in another basket. Like this, many baskets were there. In some basket they put sweets, and two baskets, one basket Shivaji Maharaj sit and another basket Sambhaji Maharaj sit. See, the baskets were supposed to contain sweets and allowed to pass unchecked. See, baskets were supposed to put sweets and allow them unchecked. Unchecked means without check. At a place previously fixed, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje got out of the baskets. So baskets went without checking, and whatever place was fixed first, as soon as the basket reached up on that place, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji came out of the baskets. Their faithful servants were waiting for them with horse kept ready for flight. And their faithful servants, they were waiting for Shivaji Maharaj and Raja Sambhaji. And horse were also kept ready for them to flight, to means move away from that place. In the meantime, Hiroji and Madari left the house in Agra under the pretext that they were going to the doctor to get some medicine. And in this meantime, this Madari Mehtar and Firozi Farzan, they give pretext. Pretext means they give excuse. What excuse they give? Means give a reason. A false reason we are saying. Excuse means a false reason. Pretext means. So they gave a false reason to the guards. What? They are going to doctor to bring some medicines. And they also move out from that place. The two of them risked their own life and made a valuable contribution to the task of freeing Maharaj from imprisonment. So these two people, they kept their life in risk and they saved Shivaji Maharaj from Aurangzeb, and Shivaji Maharaj free from imprisonment. Okay, understood? See, now next paragraph. The emperor came to know of Shivaji's escape the next day. When emperor came to know that Shivaji's escape from Agra, when he came to know? On the next day. And so see, he was filled with rage. He shouted. with very angriness. His Sardars were frightened, and so his Sardars were frightened. The emperor sent spies all over the country to trace Shivaji, and so emperor sent spies all over the country to trace Shivaji. All the search, however, was in vain. All the search, however, it was in vain, means it was useless. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in the emperor's net. What is told? Once escaped, the Maratha lion. Who was Maratha lion? Shivaji Maharaj. Never again caught in emperor's net, means now emperor was unable to caught Shivaji Maharaj. How? So what Shivaji Maharaj did? So see, in disguise, Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra. How these people are unable to find out Shivaji Maharaj? Because Shivaji Maharaj disguised, means he changed the appearance, sound, etc. He changed his outlook totally. So other people are unable to trace him, and like this he started to move towards Maharashtra. He left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at Mathura. And what he did? He left Sambhaji Raje, Sambhaji Maharaj, behind in Mathura only, because people may trace. They may ask, have you seen a person who is having a small child with him? Two people were there. Like this, people may ask. So what Shivaji did? Shivaji Maharaj did. So he left Sambhaji Raje on a safe place in Mathura, and he moved forward to Maharashtra. See, so he reached Rajgarh. Jijamata was overjoyed to see Shivaji safe and back home, and Rajmata Jijabai overjoyed to see Shivaji safe and reach at home. And now turn your page. See, on this page you can see the picture is shown. Shivaji Maharaj, these two baskets, his peoples, and here Sambhaji Raje. Okay, so like this. So see, 2 months later, Sambhaji Raje also arrived safely at Rajgarh, and 2 months later, Sambhaji Raje also arrived on Rajgarh safely. In this way, with great skill and daring, Shivaji gave the slip to the emperor and returned to the safety of his kingdom. So like this, Shivaji Maharaj gave slip to the emperor and he reached to his kingdom safely. And this was happened in 1666. When it was happened? 1666. Okay, did you get it? So see, here what Shivaji Maharaj used? He used his brain power. Yeah, if brain power is more capable than strength of people. Okay, what he did, in short I'll tell you. Shivaji Maharaj went to meet Aurangzeb Badshah in Agra. Okay, so where Aurangzeb was celebrating his 50th birthday, and in his court he did not give proper respect to Shivaji Maharaj. As a king, he should get place in the first row, but he got the place in the last row. So this was big insult of Shivaji Maharaj. So on that day, Shivaji Maharaj decided that never to see Aurangzeb's face in life again. So he went in his residence again immediately. So Aurangzeb told his guards to keep continuous watch on the Shivaji, and he should not go out of the residence. So means indirectly he kept Shivaji Maharaj in the prison. Okay, Shivaji Maharaj, his people, Sambhaji Raje, Firozi Khan, Firoji, Madari Mehtar, like this, all people are in prison. Many times Shivaji Maharaj sent request letter. What I have told you, the word petition. What I have told you, petition. Petition means request letter. Many times he sent, but every time it was refused by Aurangzeb Badshah. So then Shivaji Maharaj thought that now it is impossible to leave from Agra. So what he told to Aurangzeb, just I am ready to see, I am ready to wait here. But what you do, whatever people have come along with me, just leave them to the south. Means let them go to Maharashtra. So Aurangzeb Badshah thought, wow, it's good news that if Shivaji's people will go back, so that means Shivaji will be isolated and it will be good for us. So immediately he gave permission, and whatever people were there with faithful servants and people, they went to south, means they went to Maharashtra back. So now who were remained with Shivaji Maharaj? See, Shivaji Maharaj, Sambhaji, Firozi Farzan and Madari Mehtar. So like this total 4 people were there. 2 servants and Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raja. Like these 4 people used to stay there. So after some days, Shivaji Maharaj pretended to be ill and he complained of severe pain in his stomach. Severe pain in his stomach. So many doctors were called for his treatment, but there was no use. So Shivaji Maharaj told Aurangzeb Badshah that he will send some sweets for sadhus and Maulavis. Yeah, Maulavis, for his quick recovery, and he gave permission to him. So like this, every day some baskets were sent out of the residence of Shivaji Maharaj for the sadhus and Maulavis. Every day, whatever guards were there outside, they used to check the baskets, but after some time, after some days, they get tired that every day they have to do that work only, every day in that sweets are only there. So they used to leave baskets unchecked, and taking benefit of this, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raja sit each of them in one basket, and they left. And on Shivaji Maharaj's place, Firozi Farzan sleep, and Madari Mehtar was giving massage to him as he was giving massage to Shivaji Maharaj only. Okay, so like this, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje left the Agra, and then Firozi and Madari, they give excuse, they give pretext of bringing some medicines for Shivaji Maharaj from outside, from doctor. So both of them also escaped from Agra like this. And on the next day, Aurangzeb came to know that Shivaji escaped from our imprisonment. So he was very angry. So all people were frightened because of his anger, and he sent some spice means some secret agents to find out Shivaji Maharaj. But Shivaji Maharaj disguised himself. So means he changed his total outlook, and he kept Sambhaji Raja in a safe place in Mathura. So he reached on Rajgarh, and after 2 months, Sambhaji also reached on Rajgarh. So like this, all the people returned to Rajgarh safely. So we can say Shivaji gives the slip to the emperor. Did you get it now? Whole summary also I have told you. So now what you have to do, see, now your examination will start in this month from 30th or 29th or 30th. Okay. So your first paper, I think so your first paper will be there of EVS. Okay. So what do you have to do? Now many questions are there. Okay. But how many chapters you have to learn now? 11 number, 12 number, 13 number, and 14 and 15. This much chapters you have to learn. Okay. And question answers, which question answers you will learn? Whatever question answers are given below the lesson, below the chapter, that much only question answers you will learn, because in workbook many question answers are given, and it will not be complete by your side. You cannot learn many question answers at home. Okay, so try to learn question answers whatever given below the lesson. Okay, thank you very much. And one more thing remains, today's homework. Word meanings copy it twice and learn their meanings also. Word meanings also may ask in the examination. Okay, thank you very much.